There are a lot of branches of mathematics that are known to man. Also known as the language of numbers, it means many things to many people. Some may know it as a useful tool that is the key to getting civilization rolling, but to others they find it as an academic nuisance that only serves to lower grade transcripts. Still, what can't be denied is that mathematics is here to stay, and it is actually a part of our lives, even down to the most basic things.
1, 2, 3, 4.
One of the most foremost branches of mathematics is calculus. The formal study of calculus started from the 17th century by well-known scientists and mathematicians like Isaac Newton, although it is possible that it has been in use as early as the Greek era. You can use calculus in a lot of ways and applications. Among the disciplines that utilize calculus include physics, engineering, economics, statistics, and medicine. It is used to create mathematical models in order to arrive at an optimal solution.
Credit card companies use calculus to set the minimum payments due on credit card statements at the exact time the statement is processed by considering multiple variables such as changing interest rates and a fluctuating available balance. Biologists use differential calculus to determine the exact growth in a bacterial culture when different variables such as temperature and food source are changed. This research can help increase the rate of growth of necessary bacteria or decrease the rate of growth for harmful and potentially threatening bacteria. An electrical engineer uses integration to determine the exact length of power cable needed to connect two substations that are miles apart. Because the cable is hung from poles, it is constantly curving. Calculus allows a precise figure to be determined. An architect will use integration to determine the amount of materials necessary to construct a curved dome over a new sports arena, as well as calculate the weight of that dome and determine the type of support structure required.
Another career that uses calculus is spaceflight engineers, and they use this to plan lengthy missions. To launch an exploratory probe, they must consider different orbiting velocities of the Earth and the planet the probe is targeted for, as well as other gravitational influences like the Sun and the Moon. Calculus allows each of those variables to be accurately taken into account. Statisticians will use calculus to evaluate survey data to help develop business plans for different companies. Because a survey involves many different questions with a range of possible answers, calculus allows a more accurate prediction for appropriate action. A physicist uses calculus to find the center of mass of a sports utility vehicle to design appropriate safety features that must adhere to federal specifications on different road surfaces and different speeds. An operations research analyst will use calculus when observing different processes at a manufacturing corporation. By considering the value of different variables, they can help a company improve operating efficiency, increase production, and raise profits. A graphics artist uses calculus to determine how different three-dimensional models will behave when subjected to rapidly changing conditions. This can create a realistic environment for movies or video games.